Hi everybody. Simplify 15m to the 7th c to the 6th over 3mc squared. Let's start from simplifying 15 and 3. It's going to be 5, right? And m to the 7th divided by m. Remember, when you divide exponents, a to the m over a to the n, bases are same. Basically, we just subtract the exponents. So we will have m to the 7. There is an invisible 1 here, remember. 7 minus 1 is going to be 6. 6 minus 2 is going to be 4. C to the 4th. So this is our answer. 5m to the 6th, c to the 4. Factor for x squared minus 1. I want you to remember difference of two squares. A squared minus b squared is actually a minus b times a plus b. This is extremely important. Now, 4x squared is actually 2x times 2x. 1 is actually 1 times 1. Therefore, my answer is 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. Factor x squared minus 3x minus 28. Again, observe when the leading coefficient is 1, we don't write it, right? X squared plus, I want to write it exaggerated like sum of x plus their product. So, tell me two numbers. Their product is negative 28 and sum is negative 3. Negative 7 times 4 is actually negative 28. And their sum is negative 3. It works. So my magical numbers are negative 7 and 4. My magical numbers are negative 7 and 4. That's why my answer is x minus 7 times x plus 4. These are my factors. We can solve a couple more. 252, radical 252. There are two ways to go, guys, here. Either you can just start from your options. For example, 6 radical 7 can be written as, if you want to put this inside, you need to square that number. So you already had 7 here, but you want to put 6 in, it's 36. So 36 times 7, 252. Oh my God, this is the answer. What a coincidence. Right, 6 times 7, 42 for radical 252. It worked. This is first way. We were so lucky that like A was the correct answer. Second way, you can make a factor 3. Second way, 252 is an even number divisible by 2. 126 is divisible by 2. I think 63. 63 is divisible by 3. 21. 21 is 3 times 7. Now I want you to observe 2 times 2 is right here. 3 times 3 is right here. And 7 is going to be in the prison. He cannot leave the square root. So 7 is in, but 2 squared is out as 2. 3 squared is out as 3. Therefore, the radical is 6. Radical 7 is the simplest form, which is part. A is the correct answer. Let's solve one more. I want you to observe what's happening right here. We need to make beautiful distribution inside. To simplify this, that means basically you just need to divide everything by 5. Don't touch the first one, negative 3m. 50m divided by 5 is 10m, but observe this negative sign is extremely dangerous. Negative 10m. So 100 divided by 5 is 20, but you have negative 20 right here. And then negative 1. Can we combine like terms? I think we can combine like terms. I have negative 13m and negative 21. This is part C is the correct answer. Thank you.